Ethereum value equivalent to 34,085 rands a coin. The present cost range, 33,968, 34,537. The earlier day close, 34,207. The change was 122.36%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 35,001 rands, high 37,451, low 32,551. Ethereum estimate on Friday, April 28, cost 34,754 rands, high 37,187, low 32,321. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 34,651 rands, high 37,077, low 32,225. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost 34,761 rands, high 37,194, low 32,328. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost 33,086 rands, high 35,402, low 30,770. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost 33,021 rands, high 35,332, low 30,710. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 30,741 rands, high 32,893, low 28,589. Ethereum estimate on Monday, May 8, cost 31,236 rands, high 33,423, low 29,049. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 29,979 rands, high 32,078, low 27,880. In about 14 days Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost 30,412 rands, high 32,541, low 28,283. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 30,094 rands, high 32,201, low 27,987. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 31,931 rands, high 34,166, low 29,696. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 33,422 rands, high 35,762, low 31,082. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 34,283 rands, high 36,683, low 31,883. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 34,184 rands, high 36,577, low 31,791. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost 35,314 rands, high 37,786, low 32,842. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 35,577 rands, high 38,067, low 33,087. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost 35,215 rands, high 37,680, low 32,750. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 34,515 rands, high 36,931, low 32,099. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, May 24, cost 33,787 rands, high 36,152, low 31,422. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 34,128 rands, high 36,517, low 31,739. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, May 26, cost 35,887 rands, high 38,399, low 33,375. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2023. At the outset cost at 32,390 rands, excessive cost 39,642. While low cost 31,541. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 34,582. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 34,754. Change for April 7.3%. Ethereum conjecture for May 2023. Initially cost at 34,754 rands. Excessive cost 38,533. While low cost 27,880. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 34,120. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 35,314. Change for May 1st 0.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. In the first place, cost at 35,314 rands. Exorbitant cost 41,681, while low cost 35,314. The found the middle value of cost 37,860. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 38,954. Change for June 10.3%. Ethereum gauge for July 2023. In the first place, cost at 38,954 rands. Exorbitant cost 44,408, while low cost 38,598. The found the middle value of cost 40,866. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 41,503. Change for July 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place, cost at 41,503 rands. Exorbitant cost 51,513, while low cost 41,503. The found the middle value of cost 45,666. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 48,143. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at 48,143 rands. Exorbitant cost 48,143, while low cost 40,946. The found the middle value of cost 45,315. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 44,028. Change for September 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at 44,028 rands. Exorbitant cost 44,028, while low cost 34,395. The found the middle value of cost 39,859. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 36,984. Change for October 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at 36,984 rands. Exorbitant cost 45,904, while low cost 36,984. The found the middle value of cost 40,693. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 42,901. Change for November 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at 42,901 rands. Exorbitant cost 42,901, while low cost 36,203. The found the middle value of cost 40,233. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 38,928. Change for December 9.3%. Ethereum estimate for January 2024. To start with cost at